How's it going, everybody? I'm finally back from the dead. So, I have a few announcements to make about the channel. First thing I want to talk about is the channel layout. The only thing I want to change on the channel so far is the thumbnails, because they're a little bit like repetitive. You can't really tell which one's from which, um, and it looks a little boring. Alright, next thing we're going to talk about is how to host from GitHub. And this so far has been my favorite way to host content. You can do custom animations on here, you can do custom models, custom textures, uh, pretty much custom anything. The only thing I've had a problem with so far is putting the custom sounds. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the Reddit page. The Reddit page is going to be the new Q&A instead of YouTube, mainly because the layout of everything is a lot easier for me to click and answer and then go back to where I was instead of having a drop down menu to answer everyone's question. The banner is something I'm still working on at the moment. I want to feature people's names that create the content on the banner so that they can pretty much get a shout out. Uh, I'll probably put something under here or over here that has the month and these month's winners or something like that, and then it'll feature everyone's name. Next thing I want to talk about is the new download system. So I've had a lot of trouble with this in the past. It's all been text based. People can't find stuff. People having trouble like downloading everything. So all you have to do is scroll. You have to find which one you like, and then you'll see the name of it, and then you'll see a download. Now, I separated all the downloads for two reasons. Number one, I am a college student and I need money, so you guys will be using AdFly. So I'll teach you guys how to get through that without downloading a virus, because a lot of people complain about that and they still don't understand how to do that. And the second reason why I did this was because it's now a raw file. You don't actually have to download a TXT, and all you have to do is click load from URL and paste the URL. And wow. So originally why I didn't do this before was because of the fact that I thought it didn't actually download any of the content. I thought it just loaded it as is and didn't give you any option to edit. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to talk to you guys about is Discord. The best thing I think about Discord is that I can send you a direct link and you'll be able to join with just a username. You don't need an email, you don't need to sign up or anything. So if you don't want to download Discord, that's completely up to you. Now, if you're requesting me and me only, and you want my answer or my opinion and not anyone else's, all you have to do is type @Bonana, and you'll be able to click on my name and type in whatever you want. Alright, so that's all I have for right now. The last thing I'm going to do is change up the logo a bit, because it is a little bit generic. So what I have in mind is having a text-based logo instead of an actual icon, because the square is very relative to Dropbox and Amazon, so on and so on. So if you guys have any ideas for the logo that you feel would be great, then just don't be afraid to shoot it my way and I'll take a look at it. So thank you guys for watching the whole 4 minutes of video. I apologize. I just need to get everything off my chest. So I'll see you guys next time I upload a video.